Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of my favorite topics, soy milk and why it's such a fantastic dairy alternative. Whether you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking to switch up your diet, soy milk is a powerhouse that you might want to consider. So let's break it down. First off, soy milk is incredibly nutritious. It's packed with protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Each glass serves up about 7 to 8 grams of protein, making it comparable to cow's milk. But that's not all. Soy milk is also a great source of vitamin D and calcium, thanks to fortification, ensuring that your bones stay strong and healthy. Now, let's talk about allergies and sensitivities. For those who are lactose intolerant, soy milk is a godsend. It's naturally lactose-free, meaning it won't cause any of those uncomfortable digestive issues that dairy can provoke. Plus, it's also lower in calories compared to whole dairy milk, which is great if you're watching your calorie intake. But there's more to soy milk than just being a healthy alternative. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it in your coffee, pour it over your cereal, blend it into smoothies, or even use it in cooking. Its mild flavor and creamy texture make it an excellent substitute in recipes that call for dairy milk. Of course, it's important to mention the environmental benefits. Soy milk generally has a lower environmental impact than dairy milk. Producing soy milk requires less water and emits fewer greenhouse gases than dairy farming, making it a more sustainable choice for our planet. So whether you're looking to improve your health, care for the planet, or just try something new, soy milk offers a plethora of benefits that make it worth considering as your go-to dairy alternative. Give it a try and see how it fits into your lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring new ways to enrich your diet.